Hi everyone, Tommy here with Safe Life. If you ever wish your AED could check in with you automatically, AEDTrax is the answer. This powerful device gives you real-time monitoring of your ZOLL AED, keeping you instantly informed if your AED ever needs attention. No manual checks, no second guessing, just a clear, up-to-date status on your device's readiness. Let's walk through exactly how to install and configure AEDTrax using the ZOLL AED. Step 1. Prepare your AED. Start by placing the ZOLL AED face down and removing the CPR unipads from the accessory tray. Next, locate the USB cover on the back of the device. Using the provided Torx T8 screwdriver, remove the screws and cover. Be sure to save the screws and washers because you'll need those in a minute. Now, plug the included USB cable into the USB port on the AED. Reattach the USB cover using the screws and washers you just removed. Attach the cable holder. Clean the right side of the AED housing. That's the side edge when viewed from the back, with a degreasing agent to remove any oils or residue. Then peel the protective film off the USB cable holder and press it firmly into place on the cleaned edge of the housing. Install AEDTrax hardware. Open the rubber seal on the AEDTrax unit and power it on using a thin metal pin, like a paper clip. You'll see 3 switch options. Middle, AEDTrax on, GPS off. Left, AEDTrax on with GPS. And right, AEDTrax off. Slide the plate on the AEDTrax upwards to unlock it. Place the AEDTrax on top of the ZOLL AED accessory tray, then slide the plate down until it clicks and locks in securely. Insert the USB-C plug into the AEDTrax and double check that the cable is neatly routed and secure. Place the CPR unipad electrodes back into the tray, with the scissors facing toward the AED and the emergency kit facing outward. Configure your ZOLL AED. Power the AED into non-rescue mode by holding the on-off button for 7 seconds until the ZOLL logo appears. Then, select Configuration. Select Advanced Configuration. Enter the access code 123456. Then press OK. Select Advanced. Set USB self-test push enable to on. Press OK, then save. Select self-tests. To configure scheduled self-tests, go to Wi-Fi settings, select device history settings, choose self-test settings, then set the following: auto self-test report off, self-test interval 7, custom settings on. Pick the day and time for your weekly self-tests. Press OK, then save. Upload device info to PlusTrack. Now export your device data. Select Upload. Choose Device History. Press Save, USB. Once the status says completed, power down the AED by holding the power button for about 2 seconds until Shutdown in Progress appears. Finally, log into PlusTrack and upload the device history file. This confirms that AEDTrax is connected, functioning properly, and communicating with your AED's dashboard. That's it, you're connected. With AEDTrax installed and synced with PlusTrack, your ZOLL AED will be automatically monitored and maintained with minimal effort from you. If you have any questions or need help during setup, our team is here and ready to assist. Stay safe and stay ready.